ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You all ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
All right, well, I have been fighting this problem with one of my Jadinas. This is the Xhover, what is this, 2307 KV 2500. Could not wait to try these motors, and I kept having all these problems. I could not take off with the Jadina. So I just slapped on some old T-Motor Air 40s I had. This is on temporarily. I'll fix it up later. Those Xhovers would make it do this twitching shit and fly to the fucking moon. So let's see if this helped. I have swapped everything except motors. Very half-assed job. Let's see what we got. Yep, that was a problem. Look at that. Bam. Wow. Look at it. Wow, that thing's fucking fast. This is not the Jadina I just put up. That was my other one. This is my everyday Jadina. Look at that thing. So, T-Motor Air 40s for 15 bucks are better than the Xhovers for 25. Wow. Nice. Whoa. I know what that was. I only had these on temporarily, and I know for a fact I just lost a wire. That's alright. Easy enough to fix. Bam! Oh, that was the problem, kids. Sweet. I'll fix her up. Let you know how it goes. Take care.
Bam, JJ! Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing.